In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text in Canva. We will walk through each action slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. To begin, click the text you want to change. Move your mouse over the text box on your design and you will see a faint outline appear around it when you hover. Once you see that outline, click once. The box now becomes active and small handles appear around the edges showing that this text element is selected. At this point, nothing has changed yet. You have simply told Canva which text you want to work with. Now double-click the text to edit it. Give it 2 quick clicks right on top of the words. You should now see a blinking cursor inside the text and the background of the letters may highlight. When the cursor is visible, it means Canva is ready for you to change the actual characters, not just move the box around. If you only see the box outline but no cursor, double-click again a little more carefully on the letters. Next up, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select the existing text. Hold the Ctrl key, then tap the A key once. On a Mac keyboard, you can use Command and A instead. All the characters in that text box should now turn highlighted, usually with a colored background over the letters. That highlight tells you every single letter is selected, so whatever you type next will completely replace the old text. Beginners sometimes forget this step and end up mixing new words with the old ones, so always check that the entire line is highlighted before you type. With everything selected, type your new text. You do not need to delete anything first, just start typing and the highlighted words will disappear and be replaced by what you enter. As you type, you will see the new text appear live on the canvas in the same position as before. If you make a small typo, you can use the backspace key to fix it right away. When you are satisfied, you can click on any empty space on the canvas to deselect the text box and see how your new wording looks as part of the full design. After that, use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, color, alignment, or style. When your text box is selected, look toward the top of the canvas screen and you will see options for font family, font size, text color, alignment buttons, and style choices like bold or italic. Click the font drop-down to browse different fonts, and you will see the text on your design update instantly as you choose each one. Use the size field to make the letters bigger or smaller, and watch how the text box expands or shrinks on the canvas. The color button opens a palette where you can pick a new color or reuse document colors so your design stays consistent. The alignment buttons let you switch between left, center, and right alignment inside the same text box. Style options like bold, italic, or uppercase change the appearance without changing the actual words. Canva applies each of these changes immediately, so you can try a few different combinations and stop when the text matches the look you want. You have now replaced the old words with your own text in Canva and adjusted how that text looks on your design. If this helped you get your text looking right, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Canva tips like this.